Hey guys, DRG here. As you can see, I'm painting another custom action figure. This time it's, well, Glamrock Mangle or Glamrock Funtime Foxy, whatever you want to call it. Doesn't matter to me. But I'll probably put in a title anyway, but doesn't matter again. This one was pretty difficult. Well, actually, Roxanne Wolf was pretty difficult in general, But I went through it. I even took some time off from this because I was getting a little irritated on this and that, but, that's what happens when painting these. I mean, there's a reason why I mainly do these a year apart, or maybe a year or two. I make exceptions, yes, but that happens only, once in a while anyway. But either way, I'm, happy how it came out. And you'll notice this one's somewhat different than the other two because of the hair and everything, because this one was painted first and I was trying to get a general idea of the color scheme, and that's why this one looks different compared to the other two. But I like how it turned out either way. So that's pretty much it, guys. Just enjoy the video.